Uh-oh, there's a person looking at me. Woo. So hey YouTube, how you all doing? I hope you're all alright. It's been a while since I last made a vlog. I've been a busy boy. I've been I did a track day like 2 weeks ago, so last week it was raining, so I couldn't really do much last week because I've been very busy at work. But today, this weekend, I've come for a ride. Look at the weather. It's fucking winter in Melbourne now. Well, not winter, but autumn. So it's a very showery, wet day. So I don't know how much you guys are going to be able to see out my camera, but hey ho, we'll just give it a go, eh? But yeah, it's been a while, you guys. Yeah, Phillip Island, it was awesome. I've been coming up, it's the third time I've been on this bike now, third time she's done it. And while I was there, I was started in the yellow group, which is we've got 4 groups. The yellow group's like the slow riders. When I was there, I started, yeah, they actually moved me up because my lap times were too quick. So I got moved up in my group, and yeah, that's about it. So I had good, man. I was doing 158s apparently, because one of my friends came with me, and he was timing it all. So yeah, 1 minute 58 now. So I'm pretty chuffed with that, from only being there 3 times. I'm a very happy boy. But yeah, I've been very busy at work, like really busy at work. So it's fucking hard for me to film and edit shit, plus Melbourne weather, and especially now it's getting autumn. It's going to be harder for me to film nice days and nice rides on my bike, but I'll try for you guys. I always get up early, man, because I would get up early for work, because I start like 6:45 every day. So if it ever looks nice, I try and head out and film something. But as you can see, the roads are wet today, so no playtime, but it's just nice to get out on the bike, huh? It feels good. I'm gonna try and stop for a coffee soon, man, because I'm freaking thirsty. Hello! I don't know what this place is called. If anyone from Melbourne knows, comment below. But yeah, I've been I smell fire. Swish swash. Ooh. But yeah, fucking, I hid under a tree this morning on the way here because it was getting all wet, and so I went hid under the tree, and yeah, that's about it. Why is that guy his work pants on? His work pants on to take morning coffee. What an idiot. 2 bikes. Oh wow. Sick, eh? Please. Ooh, look how big that is, man. Shit. We don't have things like that in England. The police station where I'm from in England's tiny. But, hey, what can you say, hey? It's nice to be around. It's not really I hope you guys can see, and I'll have to try and remember to keep wiping the camera for you. That's my squidgy noise, squidging you clean. You know what I'm saying? Should have got coffee from there. But hey, there's a train station around here. Do you reckon I should go see if I can find it? I don't know where you have to go for it though. It's called Puffin Billy. We'll go for a ride too if I find it. Emerald, that's where we are. I knew I knew the place somehow. Emerald. This is general. See, there's loads of wet leaves on the floor, man. Pretty shit, but wet roads. But I haven't been out on my bike for way over 2 weeks, man. So it's been a while. So I just thought, sod it. I might as well just go out, have a bit of a play. I don't know where the train is. I've given up already, guys. I'm sorry. Come on.